Pernah makan makanan yang gak sehat nggak kayak seblak? Pernah tante, she's trying to be relatable. It's
Seblak
okay.
tahu yang kayak di itu kan pesawat kan?
Wait,
Yeah, they do. They
are
do.
you sure? Beth! Hi Slan Slayers! Welcome back to Slan Say! Bintang tamu kita kali ini tuh masih muda tapi sangat berbakat. She's busy and booked ya. Untuk mengundang dia ke sini juga susah ya untuk menyelipkan jadwalnya. Kita langsung sambut aja, ini dia Zoe Levana.
Hi. Which camera am I looking? Here or here?
Free babe.
Okay.
This is the
Hi.
master camera. This is my camera. Looking at my beauty and this is your camera.
Hi.
Ya Allah.
Oke, Zoe, kamu ini kan dikenal sama banyak orang dengan berbagai profesi kamu, right?
Oke, ya.
She's busy and booked, she's a model, she's an actress. Terus kamu juga influencer juga, you make content gitu. Coba kenalin ke Slay and Slayers, sebenarnya Zoe itu apa sih?
This is a really hard question. Actually, the first question is actually pretty hard because like I do basically everything. So buat kalian yang maybe lihat Zoe Levana itu sebenarnya siapa and what does she do? I basically do everything sebenarnya, and it's just like sudut pandangnya kalian aja kepengen lihat aku seperti apa.
Yap.
So,
Jadi
like,
you do
yeah.
everything in between, right? Karena kan semuanya juga masih dalam satu dunia kan.
It's still entertainment.
Actress,
kan?
model, ya it's
Yes.
entertainment gitu kan. Nah ini katanya juga fun fact-nya, kamu ini baru main film ya, film layar lebar.
I have a new movie, tapi back then I already played like a few movies already. Ada juga series.
Oke.
kemarin itu.
Nah itu gimana rasanya buat kamu pertama kali main film yang akhirnya film besar gitu?
My first time playing film itu, you played a series nggak sih dulunya?
Twice.
Kan? You know how hard it is, like to
I
read
know
the
the
script
waiting
kan?
time, especially in Indo industry,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, it's like jujur aja. Pertama kali main film itu aku kayak gimana ya? Karena sama Indonesian kan susah juga.
Ya.
Akhirnya aku panggil tutor.
Kamu pakai tutor untuk ngajarin kamu bahasa Indonesia.
Yes, untuk ngajarin aku bahasa Indonesia. That's one, two. Pertama kali acting itu pressure ya, karena di situ I have to act as natural as I can be. Cuman harus jadi orang lain.
Oke.
So hard. So like I was like freaking out, but like at the same time I enjoyed it.
Berarti di situ peran kamu tuh mostly di project-project kamu, kamu berperan sebagai orang Indonesia atau cewek-cewek yang jaksel yang you speak both English and Indo?
Kebanyakan ada, it's different ya. Ada pernah pakai bahasa English and Indo karena anak international.
Yeah.
Ada yang bahasa Makassar.
Oh wow.
Yeah, actually.
Oke.
I have to speak Makassar.
Bahasa Makassar tuh kayak gimana?
Sudah lama misalnya nggak pakai bahasa Makassar, jadi lupa Ki.
Oh my god. Aku bahkan nggak bisa loh.
Yeah, it's something like that.
What I know is coto Makassar. Aku cuma tahu makanannya.
Oh, you have to try
food.
palu basa. It's
Kelapa
better.
Gading.
Aku nggak tahu yang di Kelapa Gading
Oh
enak
my
ya.
god, di Kelapa Gading you have to try it, so good.
Aku udah pernah coba ya di Kelapa Gading. Never mind, I did. It's actually really good.
It's really
Yeah.
good, right? Kayak dia pakai telur gitu kan.
Yes.
So
Oh my god,
good.
it's so good. Like actually, I'm not even lying. It's my favorite.
Nah ini katanya kamu juga selain acting, kamu kan juga penyanyi juga. Kamu bahkan punya lagu sendiri gitu.
Yes.
So kamu grow up emang kamu tuh dasarnya suka nyanyi kah atau gimana?
Jadi waktu kecil, I was so highly influenced sama kayak orang-orang luar negeri kan.
Ya.
Especially sekolah aku international. Jadi cari kalau misalnya di YouTube waktu kecil, nyariinnya itu yang bule-bule. Jadi kayak I used to like watch so many people who can speak English. And then kayak ternyata mereka itu kayak oh they're also a rapper gitu. Oh they're also a musician gitu ternyata. That's when I started liking it. Terus kayak lagu Inggris menurut aku tuh kayak wah enak ya dulu waktu kecil. Karena I don't really understand Indonesian that much
Indonesian
kan.
songs, ya.
So yes, I was influenced so much, and then like I did my first song itu kapan ya? Umur 15 kalau nggak salah, 15-14.
So 5 years ago.
5 years ago, it was a rap song. Like actually, it's not singing, it wasn't singing. Jadi aku kayak baru, tapi dulu tuh aku emang udah singer dulu.
Ya.
Cuman suka rap songs.
Oke.
Terus like I thought kayak if I keep making music, cuman I'm a nobody gitu, kayaknya nggak deh gitu. And my mom was like give me a suggestion kayak maybe you should make content. I'm like I think that works. Jadi aku bikin konten dulu. Di tahun 2020
So COVID.
COVID kan banyak banget content creator yang apa ya, zaman COVID lah,
Yeah,
era
me.
COVID. You too?
Yeah, same.
Oh my god.
I started
Okay.
from COVID.
Same. Berarti dari situ I started off in TikTok dulu, terus kayak lama-lama oke lah. And then
Yeah.
like aku nggak tahu ya, nggak bisa lari dari musik gitu loh. So like in the end I just kept doing music until now.
Until now. Karena
Yeah.
walaupun you make content and everything, but music is in your heart. Gitu kan. Who's your favorite rapper, by the way? International.
I used to like Eminem
Okay.
because we have the same birthday. And then I like Drake.
Drake. Okay.
I like Drake because he's like so chill. Jadi aku tuh suka Drake itu karena ketika, I know people were like, apa ya, kayak marah sama aku karena kayak, why do you like Drake? He likes gitu kan, kayak Kendrick and Drake is having like a beef gitu kan.
Okay.
I'm so sorry Kendrick, I love your songs, tapi I'm picking Drake.
Okay.
Karena the way he talks tuh kayak double using that shad gitu, dia kayak keren gitu.
Iya.
I
He's
really
just
like
cool, kayak karismanya tuh keren,
Iya.
ada karismanya gitu ya.
Dan dia tuh kayak orangnya chill.
Oke.
Jadi kalau ngomong tuh kayak santai.
Kalau
lucu.
cewek, rapper cewek,
Cardi B.
love her.
Love her so
Kamu tau gak sih
much.
belakangan ini dia denger lagu Indonesia
Po Ame Ame.
That's so funny. Wait, tapi menurut aku kayaknya kan sebelumnya juga ada ya yang salah satu penyanyi yang dia tuh ketahuan denger lagu Indonesia juga. Kayaknya itu
Siapa?
ART-nya deh. Bruno Mars, not Bruno Mars. Siapa ya? Ada satu penyanyi juga, dia leak gitu kalau di rumahnya pas lagi live lagu Indonesia. Jadi kayaknya ART-nya mungkin ART
Lucu
orang
banget.
Indonesia.
Iya, paling bisa
Gitu.
jadi ya.
Jadi TKW gitu kan.
TKW.
Iya, jadi lagunya lagu Indonesia Po Kame Kame itu kan diputer buat anaknya kayaknya deh.
Iya.
So funny. I love Cardi.
I love her. I
Cardi
love
B
the
is
way she talks. I love the way she raps. I love everything about
Yeah.
her and I think she's really cool. I love her attitude.
Yep, same. I love Nicki Minaj, but you know.
She's getting a little bit crazier
yeah,
lately.
lately.
Tapi I like her.
Yeah, she's still a legend gitu. I still enjoy her music
Yes.
despite everything that happens to her gitu ya. Nah ini, by the way juga, kamu kan katanya karena sekolah internasional dan gak fasih bahasa Indonesia, kamu tuh harus sampai pakai guru les bahasa Indonesia. Gitu.
That is right.
Mhm.
That is right. I did actually. You know, like, so me and my brother itu international. I'm so happy by the way. Dia ngomongnya pakai bahasa Inggris. Jadi kayak aku happy banget. Tapi
No, karena di sini it's very free. Kamu mau ngomong bahasa kasar, bahasa Indonesia, bahasa kalbu. You can swear here, blah blah blah. It's so chill. Everyone here is so chill.
do you have a favorite bad word?
Probably.
He knows the meme. Oh my god, I love it.
Probably. Yeah.
Like yeah, so I hired a tutor back then.
Uh-huh.
Apalagi aku ada alasan yang pas itu bukan
Yeah.
cuman karena Indonesia aku kurang diajak ngomong ini kurang kan. Lebih ke I also had to play movies terus kayak bahasa Indonesianya itu yang kayak apa ini? Ada yang baku lah, ada yang inilah terus aku kayak I think I can't do this alone. And then like in the end I did hire a tutor. Me and my brother our Indonesian suck, but I think he's worse.
Yeah.
That's why I told him
You
kalau
told him.
misalnya mau ke podcast, kamu briefing dulu.
Yeah.
Gitu, I hold his hand kayak, Dek,
Uh-uh.
kamu kalau misalnya mau ke podcastnya, briefing dulu sama Cece, because your Indonesian is so bad. And I don't want him to have trauma,
No.
because he has a really soft heart. Kalau punya aku tuh, my heart, itu kayak apa ya, kayak ya udahlah, dihujat, ya udahlah.
Ya,
gitu.
mental kamu udah kebentuk
Yeah.
gitu ya.
But my brother, dia kemarin dibilangnya apa ya? Apa ya kemarin tuh kayak, gendut dikit. Dia kayak, dia gitu. So I told him like, kalau misalnya mau podcast, like anytime when you do get like older, talk to me first. Because your Indonesian is bad. There's this one time, mama bilang gini, pemandangannya bagus banget ya ini ya. He went to us and he was like, apa itu pedamane? Gitu. And I was like, I'm sorry, what did you say? And the funniest part itu waktu Ramadan, he suddenly out of nowhere, we're just like, I don't know, I think we were chilling with my mom and my dad. Tiba-tiba my brother went in, hari ini Ramdan, guys.
Ramadan.
Ramdan, it's Ramdan. I was like,
Rendang?
what? My mom asked. My parents kan Englishnya nggak terlalu bagus.
Yeah.
So my mom asked, siapa itu Ramdan? No, hari ini Ramdan. Mom, hari ini Ramdan, mama. I was like, Ramadan. Kamu kuya apa sih I was like Japanese, right?
Yeah.
Kamu kuya apa sih itu Ramadan.
Uh.
We were like, oh yeah, Ramadan. It was like, yeah, it's good.
Tante nyesel nggak tante masukin ke international school? So you went to international school since you were like very little, since
Like,
kindergarten or?
Basically, baby class, playgroup.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you started with English, right?
I
You grew
started
up
off with English and apparently Chinese.
Yeah, English
a
was
little
your
bit.
first language jadi ya.
Yeah.
So no wonder ya, aku nggak tahu kenapa kayak orang-orang di sini jadi membuli Zoe mungkin banyak di komentarnya karena you cannot speak Indo, tapi kan we're all here grew differently gitu kan.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak aku bisa belajar bahasa Inggris karena aku nonton film-film luar negeri gitu. Tapi aku sekolah di sekolah yang emang kebanyakannya ngomong bahasa Indonesia gitu. Jadi kenapa sih harus jahat-jahat banget? She grew up differently. She went to international school yang dimana semua orang di situ emang pada ngomong bahasa Inggris. Jadi sama aja kayak kalian, mungkin kita karena besarnya pakai bahasa Indonesia agak lebih susah bahasa Inggris. Zoe besarnya pakai bahasa Inggris jadi agak susah ngomong bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah,
Just because
it's
she
kinda
lives
like
in
that.
Indonesia doesn't mean that she has to speak Indonesians fluently gitu kan.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
I'm so happy.
Netizen
Oh my
is
god, finally
so
somebody
stupid.
someone
itu-
actually said that.
Iya,
gitu.
cause I trust me, itu pasti orang-orang underage yang probably broke and have no job. So
Like the actually the problem is some of them are like way older than me. They're like enough to be my mom.
Yeah.
Gitu. And they commented on me and I was like,
antar balik ke Facebook. Go back to Facebook. Yeah, you're not supposed to be here
I was
on
gonna say
YouTube
that,
or
yeah.
Instagram, bla bla bla. Ya emang ya kadang ya itulah ya. Ini sebenarnya sad reality, tapi we are as Indonesians entertainments kayak harus memaklumi itu gitu, kayak ya udahlah itulah netizen kita, padahal harusnya bisa diubah kan. Because
Yeah.
that's mean, girl. Bayangin kalau lu ngomong kayak gitu ke anak lo yang kayak gitu. Okay, oh my god, anyway, it's getting hot.
I love the way he talks. I love the way he
Getting
talks. He's
hot.
saying everything that I couldn't say. Oh my god, I'm like so
Gak apa-apa,
happy.
it's from me. So if you want to judge, fight me.
I love it. Okay.
Nah, kamu ini kan from the way you look very mature gitu kan. Tapi ternyata, fun fact, kamu kelahiran 2005.
Yes.
So you're 20,
I'm 20, 21 this year.
and she's a Libra.
Yes.
Tapi you radiate Libra banget sih.
Really?
I have 2 Libra best friends, dan dia tuh kamu, kayak a mix of, kayak ada independent energy, kayak, I don't know, it's giving Bella Hadid energy.
Oh my god,
Kayak
thank
you're
you.
giving masculine and feminine at the same
Yeah, that's the
time.
thing. Cause like I checked kan.
Huh.
I went to like this like, oh my god, I feel like a nerd gitu, kayak astrology calculator
Yeah.
gitu kan. Aku lihat my masculine tuh 7, my feminine tuh sebenarnya kayak, oh my god, I can't count. 3.
Oke.
Like,
Jadi emang
yeah.
kamu looknya tuh kelihatannya berarti emang Libra gitu ya. Tapi dalam-dalamnya tuh kamu ada yang lain-lain gitu kan.
Yes.
Aku tuh udah ngecek kayak gitu-gitu. Kayaknya aku tiga-tiganya tuh Cancer deh.
Are you being serious?
Iya.
Itu jarang loh.
Iya.
That's kind of rare.
Dan teman aku, I have a friend namanya Gilang.
Oh, I know
skinny
him.
one.
I know him.
The skinny one.
skinny one.
The
Yeah,
skinny
I know.
one, the skinny legend. Dia tuh tiga-tiganya Gemini.
Oh my god.
A pure Gemini.
Are you serious?
He's a devil.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Ya, I know, so cold. Nah ini katanya kan kamu, tapi sebenarnya kamu masih 20 tahun, tapi kamu tuh udah pernah menjadi supermodel untuk campaign dan project internasional.
Yes,
What is
that's
that?
true.
And how is
It's
it?
like basically kayak Miss gitu, kayak Miss World, Miss apa gitu, but like it's lebih soft gitu namanya, kayak Miss Supermodel International. I was like the youngest one, I think, back then. Berapa ya waktu itu ya? 17, I think ya.
okay.
17. I think someone was younger than me, never mind. China was younger than me. She's like 16. And it was so funny, I love it there. Soalnya kayak, it wasn't like one of those like competitive pageants yang dimana kayak dressnya sampai dipotong lah. I heard it was that bad. Jadi kayak aku takut kan. But turns out, it was so friendly. And I really liked it. They were really nice to me. And it was more like a sister kind of thing. Jadi kayak, I really enjoyed it. But yeah, so I've been modeling since I was 12, actually.
Jadi kamu mulai commercial.
Mulai commercial dulu. Terus I did some catwalks, but obviously my height ain't that tall. So
Iya,
they
cewek
were
tuh
like,
170, right?
170 itu di Surabaya, kalau di Jakarta 170 itu sebenarnya kayak the most standard. But in Jakarta, I'm so sorry, the girls here are like 185.
Yeah, I know.
Apalagi
so
yang
tall.
bule. Terus aku kayak whenever I talk to them, I go like,
Yeah,
exactly.
they're so tall and so pretty, honestly.
I know.
Anyway, congratulations for Maria Rahajong. Do you know the Putri Indonesia ya? Kemarin I'm not into like
Oh.
pageants and everything,
Yeah,
tapi she won and she honestly deserved it banget.
Congratulations.
She's amazing. Nah ini kan ajang model yang di Thailand itu 3 tahun lalu berarti ya?
Yeah, I think like 3 years ago.
Oke. Itu kamu ikut ajang itu tuh karena keinginan sendiri atau ada support dari mama atau papa?
Funny story was, I was never really into pageants. Aku tuh sebenarnya nggak terlalu suka pageant karena jujur kayak the pressure is so real.
Like you have to be like,
Kayak duduk
Yeah.
aja gini.
yeah, the attitude and everything.
This type shit, you know what I mean? And then like pada suatu saat temanku tuh nanya, Zoe kamu mau ikut pageant nggak? Gitu. Terus aku kayak nggak dulu deh kak. Aku gini. Enggak, kamu tuh udah cocok nih. Kalau misalnya mau ikut aja. Akhirnya I did ikut, and I had to go like to this like selection gitu, and they picked me because like my English was good, and waktu diajak ngomong cepet gitu jawabnya, and like at the same time my body was okay, I guess. Now it wasn't that short, so they were like good.
Oke. Nah itu tapi katanya saking bagusnya juga bentuk badan kamu ya. Mungkin kamu nggak setinggi yang lain-lain gitu, tapi katanya kamu sampai masuk standar kecantikan untuk di China.
Yes,
Yang fun fact,
now.
jadi kayak bisa rangkul pinggang,
That
nyentuh.
thing, like a while ago, I made like, okay, do I need to sit up? Gimana? Kayak, how do I?
Kita harus bisa pegang sendiri gini.
Yeah, like that.
I'm so fat now.
Girl, I don't think you're that fat.
Girl, be for real. I'm that fat now.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, you
maksudnya-
start bulking tapi kan?
Iya,
I mean, like,
sebelumnya I
it's
was like
fine.
really skinny. I was a skinny legend and then I
Yeah.
gained like lots of fat.
Really?
Yeah, lately.
Body fatnya berapa?
17%, 16.
It's not that much.
Compared to me back then, like
Berapa?
13.
Oke,
Kayak aku tadinya
beda
ada
tipis
abs.
lah
Yeah, I
sebenarnya. Beda tipis.
Tapi sekarang bertambah gitu. Oh my god. Oke. Jadi itu standar kecantikan di China tuh emang kayak gitu.
There's another one, a new trend that I just did sebenarnya. I posted it on my Reels and my TikTok. Itu bisa taruh kacamata di sini. And di samping sini. Kakak udah lihat ya? Yeah, that's the thing.
Oh. That means you're very skinny ya?
Yeah, that means like you have a tiny waist.
Ah.
And mine is genetic. Soalnya kayak orang Cina itu kenapa kok standar kecantikannya gitu? Because a lot of them like literally wanted to cut their ribs to make it that small.
Small.
And I was like, oh wait, I can do this
Yeah,
without
and I don't
cutting my
have to do
ribs.
surgery.
Yeah, I was like, okay, let me do it.
Ah,
Gitu.
That's me, I'm the beauty standard bitch.
Oh my God.
Nah, tapi by the way mungkin kan banyak banget nih cewek-cewek yang di rumah tuh pada kepo banget sama your workout routine atau diet. Kamu ada diet atau workout gitu nggak?
I haven't been working out for a very long time. Please sue me because I do want to work out again. Cuman kalau misalnya untuk diet, I don't eat rice.
At all?
Kalau sashimi makan,
Okay.
sushi makan. But like at all, no rice. Carbohydrates aku coba untuk motong, but I love bread and like cakes, jadi kadang-kadang boleh. And then like noodles, aku coba untuk avoid. Karena kalau misalnya noodles itu sebenarnya bagus ya, cuman dia tuh karena tepung,
Betul.
bikin muka kita bengkak,
Bloated.
bloated
Yeah.
as
Yeah.
and I don't want that. Jadi kayak in the end, I cut like some of them. Apalagi kalau misalnya mau event gitu, misalnya kayak ada event beauty apa
Yeah.
gitu, I would literally like not eat noodles and like tepung-tepungan tuh for like a period of time,
Yeah.
so I can like look shaped.
Yeah. Tapi salt and everything you still eat salt.
Salt I eat,
Yeah.
and like aku lebih banyak makan protein, jadi kayak daging, telur. The worst part is kalau misalnya di hotel, and it's like an all you can eat breakfast.
I know,
Holy
the
shit, I
buffet,
go like,
right?
masa nggak boleh makan gitu?
Semuanya
Jadi
roti, especially I love bread so much.
I love bread too.
Aku pecinta roti banget. Aku setiap kemana-mana kalau misalnya ada toko roti, I stop.
Oh my god, we're the same.
I love salt
We're
bread.
the same. I haven't really tried salt bread yet. Is
You
it
have
good?
to try this one cafe in Senopati. It's so good.
Katanya lagi trending kan ya?
Yes.
Dia tuh dalamnya tuh kayak yang butter gitu
Butter
terus.
gitu, it's crispy, but
Yeah.
it's soft and chewy inside. It's so good. I'm hungry now.
Okay, I need to try.
Tapi
I
kamu
need to
bagus
try.
ya, kamu masih makan protein dan apa segala macam, berarti that's why your body is so toned gitu. Dan ininya tuh shape mukanya tuh jadi kebentuk banget gitu.
Iya, jadi pokoknya for my opinion, ini diet ya. Diet tuh bukan berarti nggak makan, tapi
betul.
memperbaiki pola makan kita.
Iya.
It's like that. So like I fixed the way I eat. Jadi bisa aku tuh, jadi orang makan Indomie di depanku tuh aku nggak tergoda.
Karena you're used to it kan?
I've used to it. That's one, two. Karena aku jadiin diet ini bukan sebagai kayak, oh aku tidak akan makan,
Iya,
aku
iya.
tidak akan ini, aku restrict. Aku lebih ke, okay, I'm making this my lifestyle.
Yeah, it's a
I'm doing
lifestyle.
this because I want to get healthy.
Ya, ya, ya.
Jadi my body fat tuh dari 27, which is a lot. Itu waktu supermodel it was like 25.
25?
Yeah,
Kok gak kelihatan sih, Beb?
karena aku sebenarnya, you know, back then
Uh-huh.
I wanted to be this thin. Tapi aku mikir kayak kenapa nggak kurus-kurus ya, padahal udah diet, udah workout.
You know, kalau misalnya kita dietnya terlalu strict, malah susah gak sih?
Yes, that is real,
Yeah,
that is
yeah,
real. Jadi in the end aku kayak oh ya udah deh, aku pernah juga pergi ke klinik. I'm in this clinic right now. Jadi dia itu juga maintaining my weight, cuman ada nutritionistnya kan.
Okay.
Dia kayak oh kamu kurang makan ini dinasihatin gitu.
Yeah,
Namanya Pantai Sehat Slimming, it's really nice. Terus jadi kayak in the end aku tuh pernah at that state 25%. Itu waktu modeling. That's why I was like so stressed kenapa nggak bisa kurus gini. Aku kira kayak oh karena tulangku gede kali ya. Ternyata no,
Kebiasaan
you're just
perempuan
fat.
gitu ya.
You're just fat. Like I'm so sorry. No, bukan kalian ya.
Bukan
Ini-
berarti fat, ini fat menurut Zoe ya.
Iya.
Kayak di badan Zoe itu 25 is pretty high gitu
It's
kan.
pretty high. Soalnya kayak I don't feel healthy and I was eating samyang like every week.
I love samyang.
I love samyang. Oh my god, like aku samyang. Ini this is my routine ya kalau dulu. Samyang, tapi masaknya nggak pakai air, pakai susu.
I know to make it creamy, right?
Iya, terus kayak dikasih keju,
Cheese.
Oh my god, oke.
Sausage.
Enak banget.
Love.
Indomie kornet keju is really good.
I know. Apa
Interneju.
sebutannya?
Interneju ya?
Interneju ya? Atau apa sih biasanya kalau di itu?
Emang ada lain?
Internet.
Oh,
Indomie telur kornet.
Oh iya, kornet.
Iya kan?
Kornet, iya benar.
Oke. Zoe, sekarang kita bakal main game. Ini namanya Dar Der Dar. Oke, jadi ini kita bakal main namanya game Dar Der Dar. Jadi dalam sini ada beberapa questions that you need to answer, but if you don't want to answer it, you will get it there from Slay Admin.
Are the questions like hard?
Is it hard? Susah nggak, Say? Kinda.
Oh my god, I
No,
hate
it
you.
depends.
I
It
hate you.
depends. Oke, kamu bintang tamu adalah Raja, you go first.
Alright. Oh my god. Why am I nervous? It's just a question.
Read it out, babe.
Film Indonesia apa yang terkenal tapi pas lu nonton ternyata biasa aja? I'm like thinking right now. I don't want to anyone,
Iya.
but like wait, I'm thinking. Apa ya?
Bukan berarti kita benci juga ya.
Bukan berarti benci,
yeah,
cuma
hate
kayak-
is a strong word. We don't hate.
We don't hate it. Kayak
But
wait.
just not your type gitu.
There's like this one movie, aku lupa namanya apa, tapi kayak lupa deh. Itu aja deh. Pabrik Gula sih.
Pabrik Gula. Aku belum nonton.
Pabrik
kayaknya.
Gula ya namanya ya? Iya, horor.
Horror.
I watched it and it was like, it was okay, but like, I thought it was gonna be like so scary,
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
what I
yeah.
mean? But like, it's not.
Ya maksudnya it's just didn't meet your expectations.
Yeah, tapi I don't hate it.
Yeah.
Aku nggak benci.
Yeah.
It's good, cuman kayak it didn't meet my expectations.
Yeah.
Karena aku bakal kayak, aku kan orangnya penakut. Di situ aku nggak takut yang kayak takut kayak banget gitu loh.
Oh.
Nggak sampai kayak aku mau lari ke belakang sini
Iya,
gitu
iya,
loh,
iya.
you know?
Berarti kamu penakut banget, tapi kamu suka film horor.
Not really. I just watched it cause like katanya bagus,
Ada yang
katanya
bagus gitu ya.
bagus, type
Ha, ha.
shit.
Oke. Ya berarti yang penakut aja nggak sampai takut itu ya, maksudnya kayak nggak sesuai
Yes,
ekspektasi gitu
I
ya.
expected more.
Oke. My turn. Why do I always get this kind of questions? I swear to God, I
Kenapa? What's
always
the
get
question?
this kind of questions.
What's the question?
It's gonna get me cancelled. Siapa content creator yang menurut lo
Oh my God.
overrated? Blah blah blah, something like that. Oh my God, who? Boleh international nggak? Since we're with international kids.
Like,
Sebenarnya nggak ada juga sih. I don't have anyone in mind. Do you think I'm that mean?
do you think I'm that mean?
No, kayak siapa ya overrated? Overrated tuh kayak maksudnya terlalu disukain gitu kan.
Terlalu
Tapi
disukain padahal kayak it's not really worth the hype.
Kayak, ya,
Maybe TikTokers deh, TikTokers. Tapi kayak yang di luar aja.
wait, okay. Now it's overrated ya.
Yeah, but back then it wasn't.
Charlie.
Yeah, no, yeah. You know,
Kinda
you're right.
overrated. Ya.
Kind of overrated.
Overratednya karena menurut aku kayak dia tuh nggak keep up with the trends gitu. Kan dia punya best friends kayak Addison Rae.
Yeah.
Like she's so good. Dia
yeah.
actually explore something else dan
She
dia
went singing right
she
kemarin.
went singing, terus dia punya image baru yang menurut aku tuh lucu banget. Tapi kayak
Kayak lebih fresh aja gitu
dia
kan
lebih
ya.
fresh dan Charlie just stay in the same doing TikTok, put it on the toilet, blah blah blah. I mean it's cute, tapi kayak try something else, babe.
Yeah. No, I get it. No,
Ngerti kan?
I know what you're trying to do.
Gitu. Udah dijawab ya, Charlie. She's the most followed until now.
Sampai sekarang ya masih?
I think so. Or maybe number 2.
I think someone else beat her.
Yeah.
I forgot sih tapi. Okay. Oh my god.
Spicy.
Apa hujatan netizen yang paling parah pernah lo dapetin? Apa ya? Like, menurut aku semua hujatan tuh sakit sih. Cuma kayak I try not to like get it in my mind too much. Apalagi kayak I was bullied back then, so I was like, it wasn't that bad. It's okay. Anyways.
Yeah.
Apa ya? The worst one, I think someone who would call me like either like an ani-ani or like either like someone kayak simpenan. I go like, what? Can I not be pretty and rich? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Kayak gitu.
Sorry.
Soalnya kayak I don't flex that I'm like, oh aku anak kaya banget nih. Aku nggak pernah flexing kayak, ya papa mamaku, papi mami I itu punya ini. I never really flex like that. I don't make content that much like that. That's why people are like, where does she get the money from? Is it like from her work? What kind of work does she do? Kayak gitu.
Oh jadi pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang kayak bilang kamu ani-ani, mempertanyakan dari mana kamu uangnya, bla bla bla.
Yeah.
Guys, dia udah mulai kerja doing commercial
since I was
what?
like 12.
12. Dan lo 12 tahun masih apa? Masih ngerengek minta duit sama nyokap lo? Dan
girl, I love him so much. The way
dan
he
bye
talks.
gitu.
The way
Kayak
he
just
talks, I love it.
because hidup lo gak kayak dia bukan berarti kehidupan kalian tuh sama gitu. Dan I hate it how Indonesians kayak selalu berpikir orang yang Cindo, especially like Surabaya, China,
Yes.
they got called ani-ani a lot.
I don't know
because
why.
the way they look gitu and
I
dress.
don't know why.
Ya, dari
That
mana
is
sih
the thing.
kenapa? Mungkin karena penampilan ya atau apa sih? Tapi kayak maksudnya nggak semuanya tuh ani-ani. Just because they're pretty bukan berarti mereka ani-ani.
I know. That's why I'm like,
Right?
girl, like, don't you have anything better to do?
Yeah, I
Like,
swear.
shit.
Dan banyak aku ketemu ani-ani. I don't judge ani-ani if you wanna do kayak apa lo mau jadi or anything.
Yeah,
kayak,
I don't
you,
judge.
babe. You do
I don't
you.
judge.
Yeah, I don't judge you.
It's your f***ing life. Like, we
Cuma
don't care.
banyak yang aku ketemu ani-ani itu nggak bukan yang kayak begini penampilannya, bukan kayak Zoe, bukan yang kayak Cindo gitu-gitu malah. Yang kayak Indo banget gitu.
I see.
Gitu. So it's weird.
What I don't really like about netizen, I'm so sorry, netizen, don't kill me. Tapi kayak, don't throw shit at me. I'm not throwing shit at you guys, but like I'm just saying, kadang-kadang one thing about netizen itu kayak, misalnya ada gosip baru, they don't think about it. They just go like, oh, this is crazy,
Yeah,
and they
yeah,
just like
yeah.
follow it. You know what I mean?
I know.
Stuff
Insane.
like that.
But look at your bully now. What did they do?
I don't know. She's private. I can't see.
Oh my god. My life. This kind of question again. Kalau harus unfollow satu content creator yang terkenal,
Oh my
siapa
god.
yang bakal kamu pilih? Oh my god. Siapa yang Gilang? My best friend. I don't know, Zoe. Jawaban aman. Wait, I have one in mind. Tapi ini tuh aku fallback gara-gara gak sengaja kepencet.
Oh my god.
Sumpah. Terus I just feel bad. Aku gak unfollow sampai sekarang. Padahal kayak aku nggak kenal dan gak dekat. Jadi aku tuh yang aku follow tuh biasanya ya aku pernah ketemu, aku kenal gitu kan. Nah ini aku tuh nggak kenal gitu. Kayaknya seleb kabupaten gitu, ngerti gak sih?
Oh.
That type of shit.
No, we're not throwing shade.
Yeah, we're
but
not
like,
throwing shade.
yeah,
Tapi
yeah,
gitu yang aku tuh bahkan gak ada mutualnya gitu loh. Tapi dia udah send me a DM like panjang banget. Ya ampun kakak, terima kasih udah di follow back apa segala macam. Dan aku jadi feel
merasa bersalah gak sih?
aku merasa bersalah kalau mau unfollow,
shit.
kayak pengen ngomong kak kepencet.
Kak kepencet.
Tapi nggak jadi sampai sekarang. Nah tapi gue lupa banget namanya karena ya itu dia aku nggak dekat, nggak kenal gitu. Tapi
Oh my
sampai
God.
sekarang belum aku unfollow, aku inget banget. Kayaknya
Oh
baru
my
berapa
God.
bulan lalu gitu aku follow. Nanti gue kasih tahu ya Instagram.
Oh my god, that's so fun. That's a really funny story.
Iya
actually.
sumpah, nggak sengaja kepencet gitu.
What the That never actually happened to me.
Oh my god, aku sering banget lagi. Tapi kadang aku langsung unfollow gitu.
Oh.
Jadi cepet kalau kepencet.
Yang itu kenapa kok nggak langsung di unfollow?
Dia beneran udah DM langsung. Kayak aku udah nggak sengaja ke follow, terus aku nggak ngelihat aku follow atau apa segala macam. Jadi ketinggalan kayak 1 jam, berapa menit kemudian dia DM aku.
Oh.
Makanya aku kayak, tadi kepencet. Gitu.
Oh my god.
Last but not least.
Oh my god. Okay. Apa collab konten yang bikin lo kapok? Collab? Siapa ya? I don't think anyone has ever made me kapok sih.
Mungkin nggak harus kasih tahu nama kali ya, tapi kayak what type of content yang mungkin kamu nggak mau bikin lagi gitu.
akan bikin lagi. Wait, let me think.
Kayak mungkin kamu nggak tahu ya, sebelumnya mungkin suka dipancing dengan pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang menyinggung sara atau terlalu dewasa.
Oh, I get it. I made this content. It was really it was really spontaneous because like I never really think whenever I make content kan ya. Aku kayak konten ya udah kayak ngomong bye
Upload.
gitu. Tapi kayak not really kayak aku edit gimana gitu. Next time there's like this one content where I was stuck in a bus way. I don't think I want to make content like that anymore. Jadi kalau misalnya next mau bikin konten, aku pikirin dulu.
Iya.
Kayak gimana, konsepin dulu gitu. Jangan tiba-tiba out of nowhere bikin konten. Karena ternyata konten yang spontaneous itu juga not really a good thing ya. It's a good thing but a bad thing at the same time. Kayak for me, I experienced the bad thing and in the end I'm like, ya udah deh, next time kalau bikin konten jangan terlalu terlalu spontaneous lah gitu.
Lebih hati-hati lagi. Dan kamu juga jadinya akhirnya belajar kan kayak aku jadi tahu apa yang harus dilakuin sama apa yang harus aku boleh upload sama apa yang enggak gitu-gitu kan.
I was like 19, 18 at that time. At that time kayak tua aja sekarang ya.
Sekarang kayak baru 1 tahun kemudian gitu kan, baru
like,
20.
I think it was like 18. It was like
2 years ago.
2 years ago. 2 or 3. It was 2 yeah. 2 years ago. I was like I didn't think much, right? Soalnya aku bikin konten tuh kayak nggak pernah yang kayak mikir panjang banget itu nggak. So like I just uploaded.
Ya, anak-anak lah ya.
Yeah.
Sama aku juga banyak hal-hal konten-konten yang dulu aku upload aja gitu tanpa aku mikirin kayak dampaknya, impactnya ke orang lain, but we learn from our mistakes,
Tapi I
right?
love your content.
Thank you so much.
I love the way you talk and I love your friends. They're funny.
Thank you so much.
You know, I watch your videos sometimes kayak ngelihat aja, nonton aja, lucu aja.
Kita tuh udah follow-followan udah lama banget kan?
I forgot kita udah berapa lama ya?
Kayaknya karena kita tuh mulainya juga barengan 2020, jadi mungkin kita udah follow-followan tuh kayak dari 2022, 2021.
Bukannya kita ketemunya di Meta ya?
Iya, tapi terakhir kita ketemu di Meta, but no, tapi kita terakhir ketemu di PIM.
Oh iya.
Right, sama Indah.
Yang Taiga itu ya?
Iya, ada Taiga.
Iya. I remember.
Acara Taiga baju clothing line itu.
Yes.
Oke. It's done. Questionnya udah habis. Oke, ini kita lanjut ngobrol lagi Zoe sedikit ya. Ini kan di umur kamu yang sekarang, kamu ini aktif banyak ngelakuin banyak hal gitu ya. Dari modeling, dari kamu actress juga, kamu influencer juga gitu-gitu, content creator. Apalagi yang kamu pengen lakuin nih ke depannya, plan-nya?
A lot actually. I want to start business kan ya. Cause like in the end we all, I don't know, I'm just saying, cuma kayak menurut aku in the end meskipun aku entertainment, I think I can't run away from business. Karena you know this isn't my thought. You know, I have insomnia. Sometimes I don't sleep till 3 or till 4. Jadi kayak aku tuh biasanya mikir kayak gimana ya kalau misalnya aku udah umur 27 nih, aku mau ngapain? Umur 30 nih, aku harus apa? Gini. So I thought about it. Entertainment kan pasti ada new faces.
Yeah.
There are new people, new concept and everything. It's not forever ever. So in the end I was thinking like, okay, aku harus bisnis juga. Bisnis apa nih? Kayak gitu. I'm gonna open like, pikirnya sih kepengen dress gitu, designer.
Clothing line.
Yeah, clothing line. Soalnya my mom is a designer kan.
Tante, you're a designer? Slay.
Yeah, she's been doing that since like, sekarang udah 20 tahun ya.
Yeah.
And then like she was like, sayang kalau nggak dilanjutin. I was like, okay.
Berarti kamu pengen belajar desain? Wait, kamu kan kuliah kan? Kamu ambil desain, no?
No, I took ilmu komunikasi.
Oh, same.
Actually?
Aku public relations.
Oh, okay,
komunikasi
okay.
terus I took public relations.
Okay.
Oke, berarti kamu pengen punya clothing line sendiri gitu ya. Berarti dari kecil juga dasarnya apa? Your parents juga bisnis atau?
My parents tuh bisnis banget ya. Actually, my mom itu kayak literally, apa sih namanya dulu, bukan manager ya? Apa namanya ya? I forgot. Marketing.
Oh, okay.
She was like the best marketing waktu 1999. I think it was like a long time ago. Oh my God. Kayak actually, like internationally, in Asian stuff, I don't know, I don't get it. Tapi kayak, in the end it was my mom. I was like, oh my God. And funny thing is, she met my dad there.
Oh, dari kerjaan itu?
Dari kerjaan itu.
So
jadi
cute.
kayak sama-sama, apa namanya ya? falas ya
Iya,
kalau
iya,
nggak salah.
iya.
And I was like, oh that is so cute. And it's so funny how my dad itu kayak ngejar my mom, terus my mom tuh nolak berkali-kali. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so sorry for you dad.
Harus jual mahal ya tante,
Jual
itu wajib
mahal is
ya.
real.
Itu wajib ya.
Tapi kalau misalnya for my dad, one thing that I think is really cute is my dad has never dated a girl. My mom was the first
The
one.
first one.
Yeah.
Jadi the first love.
Yeah, first and last one.
So he married the first love.
Yes.
And
Itu
the
menurut
last
aku
one.
kayak so sweet.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
That's so rare now.
Yeah, it's so you
It's
can't
so
find
rare
that shit
now.
anywhere.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The funny story about my parents, mereka ketemu di EF, English first. Pas mereka lagi les, I swear to God. Mereka ketemu di EF pas lagi les bahasa Inggris. That's why I went to EF to learn English.
Oh my god.
Iya, tapi aku sebenarnya sekolahnya sekolah yang orangnya ngomongnya the bagian ini ngapa sih gitu-gitu. Tapi begitu, tapi kayak aku orang tua aku tuh wajibin banget EF karena they met at EF.
That is so
So
sweet.
cute, right? Mungkin mereka lagi belajar grammar waktu itu, aku nggak tahu, atau alphabet, I don't know. Terus and then they met and then mereka nikah. Terus ini. Akhirnya aku disuruh juga, oke, kamu juga harus ikut EF kayak mami papi.
Oh my god.
Orang tua kita lucu ya, kenapa sih kita Gen Z sekarang tidak dipertemukan
Iya,
dengan
kenapa ya?
kisah cinta yang lucu-lucu seperti zaman dulu?
Aku tuh kayak kesel gitu. Kenapa
Sama,
sih gitu?
why is kayak all men is a jerk now?
I know.
Not all men though.
Not all men. I'm not saying all men,
Yeah.
but like most men.
Most men.
Most men.
Oke, ini sekarang kita bakal masuk ke WC namanya Wadah Komen.
That's the thing.
Yeah. So there's questions.
Under there.
Iya.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Jadi ini pertanyaan dari netizen,
Oh.
dari Slaytizen.
Oh my god. Okay.
Ghetto.
You took this off my comments or like off like somewhere else?
From the Slay and Say Instagram.
Oh my god. Okay.
Tapi it's from your followers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
The first one, ini ada dari Teana_Antani. Konten kamu yang kelihatannya simple tapi ternyata ribet untuk dibuat, itu tuh konten apa?
You know, actually, sebenarnya, aku kan pernah ngevlog gitu kan. Tapi kok bayangin nih, my vlog itu tanpa ngomong, tanpa at all. Ada sih, ya cuma kayak good morning, gini gitu kan. Cuma gitu doang, in the beginning. Tapi kayak ternyata when you see it's simple, sebenarnya tuh kayak agak ribet gitu. Agak ribet kenapa? Cause like, I'm a content creator. Cuman, aku tuh sebenarnya nggak orang yang kayak kamera banget 24/7, right? So like I have to go like, okay, it needs to look natural tapi perfect. Okay, now walk gitu.
Iya. Karena
Ngerti
harus
nggak?
kayak, aku ngerti kayak bikin konten vlog daily in my life gitu-gitu tuh kadang kita harus naruh dulu di depan pintu and then we pretend like we just wake up and bla bla bla. Terus kita balik lagi.
Type shit, like
Yeah.
actually.
It
Terus
takes time.
Yeah, it takes time. Terus aku kayak, oh ini aku harus pergi gitu loh masalahnya kayak, oke Zoe, lu cepat tapi natural.
Iya.
Oke, jangan bego gitu. Oke. Salah, tolong. Kayak please gitu.
Yeah, you're in a rush, tapi kamu mukanya nggak boleh kelihatan panik.
Iya,
Gitu,
mukanya
kayak
harus kayak
tetep
santai gitu.
Chill and pretty. The
Tapi-
reality of content creator.
Tapi kayak it's real.
Yeah,
Kayak
yeah,
aku
yeah.
emang pergi dan aku emang mau gini itu semuanya real. Cuman my fucking expression, bro. I have to
Yeah,
go like,
yeah.
okay, gitu.
Ya, cause we have a concept, right?
Iya.
Jadi kayak kita harus mengikuti konsepnya gitu.
Mhm.
Begitu. The reality of content creator, yes. Say.
Yep, that's real.
Second questions is
Oh my
from
god.
Leona Emily Henriette. Oh my god, such a long name. Pernah makan makanan yang gak sehat nggak kayak seblak?
Pernah dong.
Pernah. Do you love?
I actually like it. Aku makannya tuh waktu itu. Aku
Pernah tante. She's trying to be relatable. It's
seblak
okay.
tahu yang kayak di itu kan pesawat kan? Kemarin kan?
Wait, serve seblak?
Yeah, they do. They
Are
do.
you sure?
No, I mean serious.
No, I think it's bakso aci, not seblak.
Oh yeah,
The
aci. Oh no
instant
no.
bakso
Okay,
aci,
never
right?
mind. Yeah, never mind.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
Seblak di... Tapi, I don't know. Let me know.
Ada aci.
Aci
Never
kan?
mind, it's called aci ya.
Ya, kalau seblak itu, jadi dia kayak makanan khas Bandung, dia ada kerupuknya.
Yes.
Ya, you boiled the raw kerupuk.
Dia kayak bukan aci juga ya? Apa ya kemarin ya? Batagor aci ya, I think.
Batagor
ya.
aci.
It was good.
It was good.
It
You
was
like
good. It was weird, but it was good.
Iya,
Tapi kalau nggak sehat, makanan nggak sehat, I've eaten a lot.
A lot.
Ini aja aku kayak kepingin banget makan samyang. Tadi bayangin samyang enak banget ya.
What's your favorite samyang? Aku suka banget yang pink.
Oh my god, same!
I love the carbonara. It's
Yeah,
so
it's
good.
so good.
Karena nggak terlalu pedes kan?
Iya, aku
Jadi
nggak bisa
pas.
kayak please deh kalau misalnya makan samyang terlalu pedes, like I can't taste anything.
Yeah, same.
Why did I buy this gitu loh. Mending yang literally pink
Enjoyable.
aja gitu.
Yeah, still enjoyable. Okay. Next, it's from Catherine _G5243. Girl,
Okay.
ini probably second account ya. Kak Zoe, apa hal memalukan yang pernah kamu alami?
I hugged someone who's not my dad before. And I didn't know that was not my dad when I was a kid.
Di mall bukan?
Di mall.
Sama banget. Tapi aku sama mama.
Oh enggak, mama tuh di belakang. Aku nggak tahu kalau mamaku inget ya. Tapi kayak waktu itu aku masih kayak kecil banget. Aku masih ingat itu di Laguna, udah ganti nama, apa namanya dulu ya, ada di Surabaya namanya kayak Laguna gitu. Terus kayak I saw this guy and I was like, that's my dad gitu. I ran, jadi kayak pergi gitu kan. Terus aku peluk dari belakang. Terus pas aku liat mukanya kayaknya dia bingung deh. Kenapa ini anak kecil kayak ngeluk ya.
What's this?
Terus like, what's this?
What's child is this?
Iya kayak, kayak papa, kayak gue bukan bapaknya gitu maksudnya.
Iya, iya.
That's the thing, and I was like, kayak the embarrassment on that day. Aku kayak
Dan itu
ingat
kamu
gitu.
SD-nya SD itu?
SD kayaknya.
Kelas?
I have no idea. I
Iya,
forgot.
soalnya aku tuh inget aku kayak gitu tuh SD yang kelas 6 apa kelas 5, jadi kayak udah tahu rasa malu.
Oh, aku lebih kecil lagi.
Hah,
Terus aku kayak malu gitu, tapi aku kayak gitu kayak, oh shit, gitu. Udah pergi aja. And then there's this one time, wait, but don't get disgusted. Ini jangan disgusted ya
Yeah.
kalian ya, gue cerita ya.
aku nggak jijian kok.
Oke, jadi kan aku jarang ngupil kan sekarang
Yeah.
kan.
Oke, fun fact.
Fun
Wow, fakta.
Oke, ini
Zoe
waktu-
Levana jarang ngupil. Headline.
bisa ngupil, cuma kayak enggak deh gitu loh.
Iya,
Karena
iya, iya.
when I was a kid, this is a real thing by the way. Waktu kecil, aku tuh anaknya ngupil banget.
Ngupil banget.
Ngupil banget. And my nose look big. Jadi kayak when I start looks maxing.
Heeh.
Jadi kan namanya kalau sekarang kan looks maxing. Dulu tuh nggak ada namanya looks maxing.
Iya,
Ya udah
iya,
kalau
iya.
misalnya kita kayak treatment aja.
Iya,
Ini
betul.
namanya apa aja gitu kan. I don't have my double eyelid sebenarnya di sini. Cuma waktu kecil aku pakai solasi terus aku giniin sampai berdarah.
Oh my god.
Itu bisa.
girl.
Kayak gitu-gituan. That's the thing. I love beauty tips gitu kan. Jadi there is this one time, not long ago sebenarnya. Aku itu mau nafas, I feel like ada upil di sini kan.
Like a big booger.
Tapi kayak dia nggak bisa keluar. Waktu
Iya.
aku pergi ke toilet kan biasanya aku gini nggak keluar. Ya udah. Terus aku tuh pergi ngobrol sama mama sama orang. Terus tiba-tiba upilnya keluar, terbang ke baju mama.
Ke baju mama.
Iya. Terus aku kayak oh fuck gitu. Terus kayak ya
Orangnya lihat nggak?
nggak kayaknya.
Oh, thank
Kayaknya
God.
I don't know if he
Or maybe
saw
she
that.
pretend.
Yeah, that was bad. I was like,
Oh
oh
my
fuck
God.
gitu.
Oke.
That's a
Tapi
thing.
kamu nggak ngelakuin any plastic surgery?
No.
No. Karena fun fact, aku gara-gara 3 bulan lalu abis operasi hidung,
Yeah.
I have a really gigantic booger ever. Upil gue segede dunia.
Like, wait, no, how does
swear to God.
that even make sense?
Kayak, jadi aku kan nggak bisa ngupil kan pakai tangan, bete, karena nose snatch now, bla bla bla. Jadi aku kalau ngupil tuh pakai cotton bud. Nah itu tiap pagi kalau aku ngupil, upil aku tuh segede gini. I know it actually like really big. Aku sampai shock sendiri karena beneran segede-gede setan, beneran gede banget.
Gede setan.
Gede banget kayak sampai aku nggak bisa napas sebelah gitu. Aku harus kayak bener-bener aku gitu. Dan itu gede banget aku kayak
Oh girl, bye. Gitu.
bye.
Oh my god.
Kayaknya itu
no.
gara-gara jaringan di hidung aku mungkin lagi dibenerin bla 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 dan aku nanya dokternya itu normal for the first 3 or 4 months.
That is so funny. What the fuck?
Yeah, I know, and disgusting. Tapi I still love I love fart jokes, I love booger jokes.
I like that too.
Yeah, right?
Cuma
Kayak aku bisa
kayak
ketawa banget kalau
orang-orang
kentut
ngeliat aku kayak terlalu apa ya?
freak.
Iya, I was scared kayak orang-orang kayak bakal ngeliat aku kayak oh freak banget nih orang. Jadi aku kayak diem aja deh.
Padahal gue suka banget joke tentang kentut, menurut gue lucu.
Iya, menurut aku lucu sih.
Same. Oke, ini probably the last question. Ini dari Kiki Do Loop Me. Coba dong Kak ngomong pakai logat India.
No hate to Indians.
Yeah.
No hate to Indians.
No racism.
This is why I have a lot of like
Indian friends.
Indian friends. That's one. Two. My mom itu kan karena desainer, jadi kayak beli kain tuh sama orang India. That's
Yeah.
why I can kind of replicate the accent as a kid. Do I have to?
Ya, kayak satu line aja.
Do not tell me what to do. Do not tell me what to do. You are not the boss.
Oh my
It's something
God.
like that.
Ya. Wait, tapi kemarin aku ke India Dan emang beneran mereka tuh, maksudnya logatnya, cara ngomongnya tuh kental banget ya.
Yes.
Which I love, itu kayak very cultural gitu. Aku
Yes.
suka banget mereka sih.
And I love the way they talk. Itu kayak even in English,
Hmm.
some of my Indian friends, mereka tuh ngomongnya kayak gini.
Iya.
It's a thing and I think
Yeah.
it's so cute
And it has a
gitu.
meaning ya?
Aku lupa deh.
Godek kan disebutnya, godek-godek. Iya.
Panjang aja. Oh my god, okay. I don't know what to say. Is it very hard to talk in like an Indian accent? It is not that easy.
Please say don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh my god, slay. Tepuk tangan untuk Zoe. Zoe, kita udah habis pertanyaannya. Thank you so much for coming to Slay
Thank
and
you
Say.
for inviting.
Aku jujur, I honestly don't understand the hate from you, cause it's very enjoyable untuk ngobrol sama Zoe. Kalau kalian ketemu sama dia in real life, ngobrol sama kamu tuh beneran kayak you're magnetic, dan kayak ngobrol sama kamu, you have such
No, I love him so much.
positive aura yang bikin orang tuh nyaman untuk ngobrol sama kamu, and I think it's a gift.
No, actually, like the way you talk, I'm so happy that you can like talk shit so freely. I'm like, oh my god, yes.
That's what I do, girl.
Yeah,
I
I love
get
it.
paid for that.
What, you get hate from that?
I get paid for
Oh, you
that.
get paid for that shit. Oh my god, yes.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Terima kasih juga untuk Slay and Slayers yang udah pada nonton di rumah. Jangan lupa untuk komen, subscribe, komen juga di bawah kalian pengen bintang tamu selanjutnya siapa. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.